Come look and see what Santa brought you. Look over here. Look it.
Did he bring you frogs, baby? A real frog?
Yeah, Grandma.
Hi, sweetie. Hello. Come over here.
Lauren.
Oh, baby, you got your baby?
Oh, my pet Fluggy.
Oh, bless you.
Lauren.
Lauren, did Santa come?
Lauren, look at your drum.
You got a drum, baby.
And you got a new puppy dog.
That's Lauren's.
Honey, that looks like that's Lauren's. What else did you get, baby?
I just think it's nice.
Look, you got your stuff over here. Look at. Oh.
Mama, look. My own pet frog.
I would. And I think I see a snail. I can't wait to name
Put
him.
it down so you
Play your drum, Lauren.
I'd love to see what you got in there.
Do you like your drum?
Candy. Oh, that makes her smile.
Play your drum. Play your drum. Hit it a couple times.
Lauren,
Good
can you smile
job.
ahead?
Lauren.
Good job.
What?
Merry Christmas.
That's a good one. I
Oh.
We gotta figure out where we're gonna put your froggy baby.
Are those? How many frogs do you have in there?
3.
Wow. What else did you get?
One snail.
What else did you get over here?
A reindeer.
Lauren, let me see your drum.
Wow. You got some
Grandma
good
try?
stuff.
Can Grandma try?
My ribbon came off.
Okay, try. Okay, ready?
Look at Lauren. Shoot. Look.
Did you get candy too? Good one.
Look at that shirt. You want to say thank you? All right. Wow. I love horses.
I love horses.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Good job.